So I have made a model, house model, which is Toonie, and I will show you how I created this model using simple primitives in Blender. So let's get it started. I use simple cube, adjusted the model in a right manner, and after that I used extrusion as well as loop cuts for creating this structure. After this I made the rooftops and made little bit solid. I'm just using the 3D view for making this model. I've never used those left hand side or right hand side part of it. Only in the 3D view, and using shortcuts I have created this model. First and the basic step for creating this model is using primitives such as cubes, cylinders, circles, and adjusting it in a right manner for creating this model. Here is the exhaust of the building. Here try to connect the points using Ctrl+J. If there is any easy method for joining this, you can comment on the on my channel. It's a little bit tedious task for converting this, joining these parts together. Try to keep it simple, and it should be quadratic. Every plane should be quadratic. You should not look for n-gons, because you have to bake this model in a high poly mesh to create a normal map. For you have to create it in such a manner which has quadratic planes and shapes. I have changed from wireframe mode to solid mode, and between them, so that to extrude the parts and make it more simpler for me to understand the tunic structure of the building. It is very handy for using this type of technique, changing wireframe and solid mode. Here I try to extrude the points so that to create a much complex structure and make it curvy. You can use numpads 1, 2, 3 in your keyboard for adjusting the left side, right side, and top side of the model. Once you have completed the model, I have created a base for my building to rest. I thought of a meadow type and resting on a meadow, and made a path for the building so that people can walk. All those is being created by primitive shape such as cube, and extruding it, making loop cuts, and using simple modeling techniques for creating the base. Just a little bit of adjusting is all needed for creating a simple shape of this base. Now after that I used baked the model and textured it. Here I am texturing the windows. All those textures are being made by materials using brown and blue color. So this is the result after creating this model, and this is the house I created using Blender. Thank you for watching my channel. Stay tuned for more creativity.